Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this additional in the yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, July the 30th, 2022. Yes, it's actually today Sunday, and Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the additional of the yesterday's newspaper. I've already solved one puzzle, the letter Sudoku. Two puzzles are left, the Sudoku with 2 stars and the cipher block. Tectonic, aka Tectonic, yes. Well, if I have the spare time today, I will do a Samurai Sudoku, aka quintuplet. Let me do this one, this 2 stars Sudoku. This will be number 4, 9, 3, and 9. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 26 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level, but for a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit, so let's get started. A lot of 8s. Let me start with 8. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Well, the 8 in this row, the 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 8. Okay, 5 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here or there in the middle row, here or there, but we see here another 6 in this third column, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. And look, we have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4, we have a 4 in the middle column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 box left in the middle column for number the 1. The 2 is missing. Then 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next down, need 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next, so that column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the third row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 4, 7. 1, 4, 7. 1, 4, 7. 1, 4, 7. That means these 2 big missing numbers in this column, here we have 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. So the 6 could be here, here, or there in this column. Here, here, or there. We see here another 6 in this row. Last row, so no 6 there. Here, 6 in this row, so no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 1, 2, 7. Okay. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So the column between only 2 places left for the 6 should be here. Or there we see here 6 in this row. So no 6 there, 6 should be there. 4, 4, 2, 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 5. It should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7. And look, we have a 1 and 3 in this row. So no 1 and 3 in this box. 1 and a 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. We have a 1 in this column. So no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 7. Alright, 7, 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are: the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 4, 7, 2, 4, 7, 2, 4, 7. And look, we have a 4 and a 7 in this column. So no 4 and a 7 in this box. The 4 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7 and a 4, 7 and a 4. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this last row. So no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this column, first column. So no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2 in the first row, so no 2 there. Here 2 in the second row, so no 2 there. Only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 2. Alright. 1 box left in the last column for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 there in the last row. So no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in one of those two boxes. In the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see here 7 in the last row. So no 7 there, 7 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. And we have a pair. The 1 and the 4 in the last row, the 1 and the 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes. Oh, my pencil is empty. Let me replace the... Well, 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4, okay. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Okay. 3, 8, and 3, 9. Okay. 2 numbers left in the third row. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 7 in the first column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Now we have 1 box left. Here we have 1, 4, 7. 1 1, 7 we have here, so this box should be a 4. The other two boxes should be reserved for the 1 and the 7. Oh, we have a 1 here in this row, so wait, 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 1 should be there, and all the ones are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1, 4 and 7 are left. Yeah, 4 and 7. Here we have a pair. Oh, 4 and 7. We have a 7 there, so this box should be a 4, and that box should be a 7. Now we have a 7 there, so this box gave me 7 more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 4. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in the first column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the second row, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. 1 box left in the first row for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3 and an 8. Now we have a 3 there, so this box gave me 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be an 8. 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have an 8 in the third column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. We have a 7 in the second column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, only place left for the 5 should be there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8. And the 9 is missing, 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 6 in the second column. So no 6 there, 6 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well. I'm surprised with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the Tectonic, aka Cyber block with 1 star. Until then, bye bye for now.